Pipa. What you doing, baby? Just putting on your shoes. Uh-oh. Oh, look at Pipa. She's walking. Yay! Uh-oh. You tired? Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hi, baby. What you playing with? Huh? You like playing on the grass? Yeah? Good. Uh-oh. Are you guys excited about going to Davao?
Oh yes, we're ready now.
Are you ready,
we are
Pipa?
back already, baby.
What are you most excited about, Pipa?
To hike the Mount Apple.
Uh-oh, you're gonna hike the Mount Apple?
Oh,
the highest peak in the Philippines?
Yes, Daddy.
Oh my goodness. Say bye-bye. We'll see you in Davao.
Bye-bye.
I grew up and I'm bitter. 0 out of 3 now. Thought that I'd be quicker, but I'm heading out that way for sure. Said that you'd be waiting, and now it's been too long. Been too long. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and now tomboy t-shirts. When life was good and the worn out sneakers. When we were fine but with complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. I never said I was ready, but ready for what comes ahead. You said that you were with me. I wonder how we did forget. Some days were forever, and now it's been too long. Been too long. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and now tomboy t-shirts. When life was good and the worn out sneakers. When we were fine but with complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. Dirt on my jeans and sing good old snapback, floating through the street like holding your hand.
Can you tell us where we're at right now? What is this place?
Tausoban Falls,
Alright.
Lake Agco.
If you are to go hiking up Mount Apo, this is where you start, right here. How is everyone doing? How are you doing, Pipa? Huh? Thank you, Kuya Joey.
Thank you very much, sir.
Anytime, right? Anytime. Are you ready to see some monkeys? We're here to see some monkeys. What is this place called?
I don't know.
so right behind Arlene and Pipa, you can see all that right above Arlene. It's supposed to be Mount Apo, but it's covered in clouds. All right, you ready to fly the drone out?